Welcome to the Psychology and Physical Training channel. Hey everyone, welcome to 6 Essential Yoga Asanas for Women. Today we're diving into the beautiful world of yoga with a focus on us amazing women. We all know how important it is to prioritize our health, both physically and mentally, and it's something I'm super passionate about. Life can get super busy and demanding, am I right? But finding that balance, that inner peace is absolutely possible. Yoga is like this incredible toolbox filled with practices that can help us create a healthier and happier life. It's not just about touching your toes. It's about connecting with your breath, your body, and your mind. In this video, we're going to explore 6 essential yoga poses that are particularly beneficial for women. These poses can help improve strength, flexibility, balance, and reduce stress. We'll break down each pose step by step, so whether you're a seasoned yogi or just starting out, you can flow along with us. Tadasana, mountain pose. Finding your foundation. All right, let's begin with the foundation of all standing poses. Tadasana, or mountain pose. Don't let the stillness fool you. This pose is powerful. Come to stand on your mat with your feet together, big toes touching, heels slightly apart. Feel the ground beneath you. Feel grounded. Lift your toes, spread them wide, and then gently release them back down, grounding down through all 4 corners of your feet. As you do this, imagine roots growing from the soles of your feet, connecting you to the earth. Feel that stability. Now, engage your thighs slightly, drawing them upwards, but keep your knees relaxed, soft. Lengthen your tailbone towards the ground and feel a gentle lift in your lower belly, engaging your core. Relax your shoulders away from your ears, creating space in your neck. Your arms are by your sides, palms facing forward, allowing your chest to open and your heart to shine forward. Close your eyes if you'd like. Feel your spine lengthening. Imagine you're being gently pulled upwards by a string at the crown of your head. Breathe deeply, feeling the expansion in your chest and belly with each inhale. Tadasana is all about finding that strong and grounded feeling within yourself. It's a pose you can come back to anytime you need to feel centered and present. And you know what? Studies have even shown that practicing Tadasana can actually improve your posture and balance over time. Pretty cool, right? Hold for 5 to 10 breaths, feeling the power of the mountains within you. Adho Mukha Svanasana, downward facing dog. Releasing tension, finding calm from mountain pose. We'll flow into downward facing dog, or Adho Mukha Svanasana. This pose is like a full body stretch that calms the mind and relieves stress. Step your feet hip-width apart. As you inhale, reach your arms forward and up, feeling a nice stretch in your spine. Exhale and bend forward from your hip creases, keeping your spine long. Place your hands shoulder-width apart on the mat, fingers spread wide. Step back, creating an inverted V shape with your body. Your hands should be shoulder-width apart, and your feet should be hip-width apart. Press through your palms and spread your fingers wide, creating a strong foundation. Feel the stretch through your shoulders, arms, and back. Engage your core and draw your belly button towards your spine. This will help protect your lower back and deepen the stretch. Keep your knees slightly bent if your hamstrings feel tight. As you gain flexibility, you can work towards straightening your legs. Relax your head and neck, letting your gaze fall towards your feet. Breathe deeply and evenly, feeling the tension melt away with each exhale. Downward facing dog is a fantastic pose for reducing stress and anxiety. It's like a gentle inversion that calms the nervous system and promotes relaxation. And guess what? Studies have shown that practicing downward facing dog can actually improve symptoms of mild depression and anxiety. How amazing is that? Hold for 5 to 10 breaths, feeling the rejuvenating power of this pose. Virabhadrasana 2, Warrior 2 pose. Cultivating strength and grace. From downward facing dog, we'll transition into Warrior 2, or Virabhadrasana 2. This powerful standing pose strengthens the legs, improves balance, and cultivates a sense of inner strength. Step your right foot forward between your hands, aligning your right heel with your left arch. Pivot your left foot outwards to a 90-degree angle. Inhale and rise to a standing position, keeping your right knee bent over your right ankle. Your left leg should be straight and strong behind you. Extend your arms out to the sides parallel to the floor with your palms facing down. Feel your chest expanding and your heart opening. Keep your right knee bent at a 90-degree angle, tracking over your right ankle. Engage your core and draw your belly button towards your spine. Relax your shoulders away from your ears and gaze gently over your right hand. Breathe deeply and evenly, feeling the strength in your body and the focus in your mind. Warrior 2 is a pose of courage, strength, and grace. It reminds us to stand tall in the face of challenges and to approach life with a sense of determination. Hold for 5 to 10 breaths, feeling the empowering energy of Warrior 2. Bhujangasana, Cobra Pose. Awakening the spine, relieving back pain from Warrior 2. We'll gently lower back down and transition onto our mats for Cobra Pose or Bhujangasana. This back bend is a gentle heart opener that strengthens the spine and can even help relieve back pain. Lie on your belly with your legs extended behind you, tops of your feet pressing down. Place your hands directly under your shoulders, fingers pointing forward. Inhale and gently press through your hands, lifting your chest off the mat. Keep your elbows slightly bent and close to your body. Lengthen your tailbone towards your heels and feel a gentle stretch in your lower back. Engage your core to protect your lower back. Relax your shoulders away from your ears and gaze straight ahead or slightly upwards. Breathe deeply and evenly, feeling the expansion in your chest and the gentle stretch in your spine. Cobra Pose is a wonderful way to counteract the effects of sitting for long periods. It strengthens the back muscles, improves spinal mobility, and can even help alleviate back pain. Hold for 5 to 10 breaths, feeling the invigorating energy of Cobra Pose. Utkatasana, Chair Pose. Building strength and stability. From Cobra Pose, we'll transition to a standing pose that will fire up those leg muscles. Utkatasana, or Chair Pose. Don't let the name fool you. This pose is challenging but oh so rewarding. Stand tall with your feet together, big toes touching, heels slightly apart. Ground down through all 4 corners of your feet, just like we did in mountain pose. Inhale and raise your arms overhead, palms facing each other or towards the sky. Keep your shoulders relaxed away from your ears. Exhale and bend your knees, lowering your hips as if you're sitting back into a chair. Your thighs should be as close to parallel to the floor as possible. Keep your core engaged, drawing your belly button towards your spine. This will help protect your lower back and deepen the pose. Lengthen your tailbone towards the floor and keep your spine long and straight. Relax your shoulders away from your ears and gaze straight ahead. Chair pose is a fantastic pose for strengthening the legs, glutes, and core. It also improves balance and stability, both on and off the mat. Hold for 5 to 10 breaths, feeling the heat build in your muscles and the strength growing within you. Savasana, Corpse Pose. Embracing deep relaxation from chair pose, we'll gently release and come down onto our mats for the final pose, Savasana or Corpse Pose. This pose may seem simple, but it's a deeply restorative practice that allows your body and mind to fully relax. Lie on your back with your legs extended, feet hip-width apart, allowing your feet to relax outwards. Rest your arms by your sides, palms facing up, allowing your fingers to curl naturally. Close your eyes and soften your gaze. Let go of any tension you might be holding in your face, your jaw, your shoulders. Allow your body to melt into the mat. Bring your attention to your breath. Notice the natural rhythm of your inhale and exhale. Allow your breath to become slow and steady, like gentle waves lapping at the shore. As you lie here, let go of any thoughts or worries that may be lingering in your mind. Imagine them drifting away like clouds in the sky. Savasana is a time for deep relaxation and rejuvenation. It's an opportunity to allow your body to fully absorb the benefits of your practice and to emerge feeling refreshed and renewed. Stay here for 5 to 10 minutes, or longer if you'd like. When you're ready to come out of the pose, begin by gently wiggling your fingers and toes. Take a deep inhale, and as you exhale, slowly roll over to your right side. Use your right hand to press yourself up to a comfortable seated position. Take a moment here to connect with your breath and observe the sense of calm and peace within you. Embrace the journey to a healthier you. And there you have it, 6 essential yoga poses that can benefit women in profound ways. By incorporating these poses into your daily routine, you can experience increased strength, flexibility, balance, and mental clarity. Remember, yoga is a journey, not a destination. Be kind to yourself, listen to your body, and honor where you are in your practice. Every time you step onto the mat, you're giving yourself the gift of self-care and creating space for healing and growth. If you enjoyed this video, Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more yoga and wellness content. And be sure to share your experience in the comments below. I love hearing from you.